Railway traffic halted between Nawabshah and the rest of country. Over 70 injured as locals rushed to help passengers. Army, police and Rangers personnel conduct rescue work. 21 bodies handed over to families. Hyderabad. At least 30 people were killed and 72 others injured in a train accident near Sarhari station in Sanghra district on Sunday when 10 bogies of Havlian-bound Hazira Express derailed. The tragedy brought railway traffic to a halt between Nawabshah and the rest of the country. The bodies and the injured were taken to Rural Health Centre, RHC, Sarhari and People's Medical University Hospital, Nawabshah. The tragedy occurred at around 1 p.m. outside the outer signal of Sarhari railway station, according to the Divisional Commercial Officer, DCO, Sucker Division of Pakistan Railways, PR. Though the accident happened at the upcountry track, PR officials said bogies also fell over the downcountry track, suspending flow of traffic. Chaotic scenes were witnessed at the site of the tragedy as relief trains from Kotri and Drohri were dispatched. The first responders were inhabitants of nearby villages, who provided water and relief goods to the injured passengers, including women, trapped in the bogies. They also assisted in retrieving bodies from the wreckage. Volunteers were wading through a canal that separates the road from the railway line to help, and lifting the injured to get them assistance. Dawn.com reported. PR officials brought in cranes to remove wreckage from the track. The track was uprooted at a considerable stretch, and some bogies stood broken with pieces of their framework resting on the ground. Army, police, and Rangers officials rushed to the spot, as did General Officer Commanding Hyderabad Major General Mohammad Hussain. There were chaotic scenes at the Nawabshah Trauma Center as ambulances and private cars ferried the injured for treatment, according to a Dawn.com report. One man leapt from the back of an ambulance clutching a child, his clothes soaked in blood, while a woman moaned in pain as she was carried in on a stretcher. "We don't know what happened, we were just sitting inside," said one dazed woman. Signed Chief Minister Syed Murad Ali Shah arrived from Karachi, visiting Nawabshah before heading to the site of the tragedy. The CM told journalists outside the hospital that 30 people were killed in the crash and stated that the injured would be shifted to Karachi if needed. Assistance can be sought from the army if necessary, he added. Commissioner Benazirabad Division Abbas Balak and Dig Police Benazirabad Range Ines Chandio supervised the relief and rescue work. Till relief trains arrived, police officials remained busy in the rescue work. It is a disaster of a large scale, and the injured have been shifted to hospitals. It requires heavy machinery to complete the job of rescue and removal of wreckage. Railway traffic remains suspended for now as the restoration work is underway, said Dig Chandio. Dr. Riaz Ahmed Umrani, MUS Deputy Medical Superintendent, confirmed to Dawn that they had received 30 bodies. Out of these 30 bodies, 21 have been handed over to the heirs, he said, adding that the remaining 9 bodies had been kept in cold storage. The 72 injured were brought to the RHC Sarhari and Nawabshah, where 37 were admitted, and the rest were discharged after first aid. Dr. Arsh Jerko of RHC Sarhari told Dawn that initially they received 13 bodies and 53 injured. "We shifted all bodies and injured to Nawabshah, but we are still on high alert as some bogies are still said to be entangled in the wreckage," he said. PR Sucker Division's DCO Mohsen Sail and Divisional Superintendent Abdul Rahman Lako didn't share primary details regarding the number of capsized bogies and those that had derailed, despite repeated attempts. Sucker PR Division Control Room, even after 6 hours of the tragedy, kept stating that the number of capsized and derailed bogies was still being confirmed. The Hazira Express left Karachi at 7:35 a.m. and crossed Karachi Division's last railway station, Thandawadam, 55 minutes late at around 12:30 p.m. Following the accident, the Karachi-bound Green Line was halted at Nawabshah railway station, while the upcountry-bound Pakistan Express and Karakoram were held at Hyderabad railway station and Raman Baba at Tandawadam railway station. Pak Business left Karachi railway station after a delay of 3 hours, according to the names of 28 deceased are Ghulam Sugran, wife of Asghar Mohammed Sharif, son of Sher Mohammed Abdul Razak Saghramite, wife of Amir Sharif and Bibi Naila, wife of Kashif Zubaydah, wife of Mohammed Asghar Mansour Ali Amir Chand Rai, son of Raum Lanita, daughter of Nathumal Saeeda, Sarah, Rahim, Soa, daughter of Alabakaya Noruddin, son of Deen Mohammed Sahib Khan, son of Nabidad Khair Mohammed, son of Jan Mohammed Shahzad Parveen, wife of Abdul Jabbar Nazreen, wife of Mohammed Salimayan, son of Ali Khan Alia, daughter of Ali Khan Hazina, daughter of Latfla Sain Khatun, wife of Abdul Garak Zadi, wife of Alabakayo Rahim Bucks, Suna, Yasser, son of Dinal Shadapur and Ems Reman, son of Yasser. The Sign Information Department shared the names of 28 injured, including Ems Padani, Abid Hussain, Mohammed Javed, Asghar Kamba, Kari Abdul Garib, Naimat Bibi, Hasnain, Rukhsana, Shoban, Abdul Hamid, Rizwan, Imran, Shahid, Babu, Zakir Hussain, Ghulam Kadir, Athrali, Jamaluddin, Ems Surat, Ems Barani, Ems Rizwana, Jatharam, Ems Bani, Ems Fatah Khatun, Ashfaq Ahmed, Maryam Nawaz, Amar Farouk, Ems Kam, and Ayman 18. Published in Dawn, August 7, 2023.